Hello and welcome to Eat Your Backyard. Hello, Bonds. Look at this guy. He always wants to get the pets. Hey, Thumper. What you doing? You gonna sniff my hand? Look at that. Always loves to be pet. This guy gets so much petting and attention. He's already come to just receive it whenever he can. One of the things that these guys love are these mulberry sticks. Got them fresh mulberry sticks every day, and they love to chew the bark off. They also just like to play with them. Hey, give me that back. Oop. Thumper here is a lionhead bunny, male lionhead bunny. We call him Thumper because he loves to thump. If he doesn't get enough pets, he wants you to come by the cage. He'll thump to actually get you to come by the cage and pet him, or let him out to run. We've got an exercise area. We get them out to exercise a few times a day. They love these cages too. They just sprawl out, lay on their sides, chew on the sticks and the veggies we leave them. Isn't that right, Thumps? And they're constantly cleaning themselves, eating, and producing the finest bunny turds. Yeah, let's give you a little food here. And I think we'll stick a little fresh hay up in there. You like that fresh hay? Penelope, his sister, wants to get some. Ooh, that lawnmower is a little scary, huh? Not that scary. Penelope is Thumper's sister. You sweet girl. Now Penelope's a little bit more timid. Just a little bit she gave me that bunny butt. Where should I? You hungry? You hungry, Penelope? He's gonna try and nudge it into the ball. Look at her. She's pushing it. Okay, okay. You want it? You want it? Is it out there? Thumper. Fresh hay. Come pet. Come pet. Come on. Yeah, I know you do. I know you do. You just lay right down there for me, don't you? Starting to lose that baby coat. Get the more that soft lion head fur everywhere. Oh. You're covered in hay. Thumper is absolutely a fool for love. Are you asleep? And rabbits can sleep with their eyes open, which is kind of weird.